Hello guys, welcome to our channel Bunty Kids. Today we learn about farm animals. Farm animals. This is cat. First one is cat. C-A-T, cat. Sound of cat is meow, meow. The second number is sheep and lamb. Sheep and lamb. This is sheep and this is lamb. Sheep and lamb. Sheep sound like this. Wow. Bah. Bah. Next we have rabbit. This is rabbit. 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 Rabbit sound is. Next, cow and calf. This is cow and the kitten of cow is called calf. C-A-L-F, calf. Sound of cow is bah, bah, ah. Next, we have donkey and foal. Donkey, mature. Foal is kid. F-O-A-L. Sound of donkey is ee. Ee. Next, horse and colt. This is horse. This is colt. H-O-R-S-E, horse. C-O-L-T, colt. Sound of horse is ee. This is pig and piglet. Pig is this. Piglet is this. Okay. P-I-G, pig. P-I-G-L-E-T, piglet. Next we have cock. Cock. C-O-C-K, cock. Sound like this cock is. Hen and chick. This is hen and this is chick. H-E-N, hen. C-H-I-C-K, chick. Hen and chick. Next. This is goat and this is kid. G-O-A-T, goat. K-I-D, kid. Sound of goat is meh. Meh. Very nice. This is buffalo. Sound of buffalo is bah.